Got it. Good evening, everyone.
Voice is not coming, yeah.
Everyone.
Vartika, your voice is not coming.
Hi. Good evening.
Good evening.
Acha,
Good evening.
okay, so welcome to my session. As you all know that today I am hosting. So the first activity is recipe for you. Everybody has tried something in lockdown, past lockdown, or everybody knows something how to cook. Isn't it?
Yes.
No, I don't know.
I also don't know.
We used to cook by seeing the recipe.
Yeah, I also used to
No,
buy
I know, but
Whatever it is. So the game is like that. You all need to share the recipe of one dish, and that in English. Okay? Aarti and Sugandha?
In English.
Yeah, in English.
I'll also give a recipe.
Like YouTuber. One by one,
Okay,
how
I
to
will-
add
I will
masala,
tell you
how to
the
add
recipe of Maggie.
I will tell the recipe of dhokla.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so who
But
will
not
start?
But not it.
Neha will start.
No,
Okay.
I am not starting.
The recipe of
I
hotel cake.
will start, okay?
I'll
Okay,
tell
so
the
when
recipe
I
of
start,
cake.
who was saying
I'm
that I
forgetting-
don't know anything to cook?
I'm forgetting like
Okay.
that we use jeera or not in that.
Okay. Okay.
Okay,
My
start,
recipe
Sugandha.
name is Maggie. How to make Maggie. Okay. Okay.
Okay, start.
Take a pan and pour 2 cup of water for 2 Maggies. Okay. Boil it for 2 minutes and pour and drop Maggie in that. And also add masala in that and wait for 2 minutes and Maggie will be ready. Two minutes, Maggie
Sugandha.
is ready.
Nobody was knowing this how to make Maggie.
Yes, we were not knowing to. Thank you.
Yes, thank you. Thank you,
Thank you for-
Sugandha.
My pleasure.
Now, sir, what?
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 Now I am
Now,
sharing. Okay. Now
Yeah.
I am sharing.
After Akansha, I will share the recipe of dhokla.
Okay, Akansha is sharing. Start.
Okay. So today I will tell you the recipe of poha. Okay.
Okay.
Take a packet of poha, then take 1.5 cup of poha from there, then wash it properly using water. Wash it properly, then drain all the water out of it. Then keep the poha in a plate or something for 10 to 15 minutes and sprinkle a little bit of water and salt, a teaspoon of salt on that. But you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. Then let's prepare for the tadka. Now take a pan, light the gas, take 2 spoon of oil, any oil which you prefer. Take 2 spoon. Then when the oil get heated, garam, put mustard seed. Then they should like chatak awaj. Then wash some curry pattas, wash them and put them in that 6 to 7 curry patta leaves, and then chopped chilies, green chopped chilies in that, then turmeric, and then a teaspoon of salt. Then do this. After it was 10 minutes, put the poha in the pan in which you have made the tadka. Then use a spoon to mix it properly, and then sprinkle some curry patta leaf on top and put some lemon juice and put some namkeen, bhujia, something, and your poha is ready.
Thank you,
Wow,
Akami, for sharing this recipe. I hope everybody will try this.
Yes, we will try. Now, I will share the recipe of boiling the water.
My turn. My turn.
My turn, my turn.
Bhutan?
My,
Neha Dhoni said,
Okay.
Neha, start.
I want to tell the recipe of boiling the water. Yes.
What?
Don't say this.
I want to
Arey,
tell the
Arey,
recipe of
don't tell
boiling.
the secret of your healthy skin.
Yes, I want to tell the secret of my so good figure.
वो मीम नहीं था वो people before नेहा लोनी's video कैसे boil करते थे
Here I want to appreciate Sugandha. At least she has told us how to make Maggie.
Yes.
You are telling us how to boil water.
Please take tap water in a bowl. Then put it in gas and then water will boil. You can use it as for bathing also, cooking also, for making tea also, and for anything. Now, jokes apart, I will tell the recipe of dhokla.
Yes.
You know how to make
Yeah,
dhokla.
I'm telling.
Okay, start.
You just leave. I want to tell the recipe of dhokla. So first I will tell the ingredients. Okay, dholka and dhokla.
कौन सा ढोकला?
Akansha has messaged that dholka. It's not dholka, it's dhokla.
I like dhokla.
Auto incorrect.
So I will tell the ingredients. You have to take 1 cup of gram flour besan. Okay, lemon juice 1 to 2 teaspoon. 1 to 2 teaspoon that lemon juice, and then sugar and curry patta. That what we say that black in English. I don't know what's that.
Mustard.
Mustard, yes. Thank you so much. Take 1 teaspoon mustard and then baking soda and oil, refined oil. Okay. Then how to bake it? You have to take that gram in a bowl. Flour in that bowl and then pour some water in it. Then mix it well. Add some baking soda and some the turmeric and taste like namak, salt, salt, and then mix it well and put it for half an hour or 1 hour. Then in a bowl, just bake it like if in steam. You have to bake it in steam, and then it will become like that cake and all. Then take it out, and then you have to take a pan, and in that you have to pour that sugar water and some amount of curry patta, like you have to give tadka, and then that you have to just pour that tadka on that what you have made that and then you have to cut and some chopped chopped chilies and all, whatever you can make it to get a good taste, then just eat it. Then you will feel good. Thank you.
Thank you, Neha, for sharing
Thank
your recipe.
We
The
will
best one
try.
was boiling water.
Yes, it was best. I know.
Neha, you should upload it on YouTube. That will help a million of people.
We'll upload the
right.
boiling of water. Yeah, sure.
Okay, so now who is coming? Arkhi, are you coming?
Yes.
Okay.
Maya, Increase the speed. Increase the speed.
1 minute. Okay, guys. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Yes,
Eagerly
excited.
waiting. Yes, eagerly waiting for you. What you will tell us.
Okay. So guys, welcome to my channel, Ketan Khazana. Today I'll teach you how to make. Today I'll teach you how to make Oreo cake. You might be eating Oreo regularly, but you might have not eaten Oreo cake. So it is very simple recipe. You just have to go and buy 2 packets of Oreo, and you can make delicious cake at home itself. As you know, in the present situation of COVID, you can't go out and have cakes. Like Sugandha can't have cake for her mother and father anniversary, so she can apply that. Okay, so this is for today's special, or maybe you can say it is for today's special occasion. Okay, so let's begin with the.
So are you making cake today for your father's birthday?
No, I'm asking my brother to go and buy that, but he's not going.
Same here.
Okay, so I'm telling you the recipe. You can use that and make the cake. So what you have to do, guys, just take 2 packets of Oreo. Go and get them.
ये पीडीएफ है ना
PPT है.
All the biscuits.
अरे तो ये तो पीडीएफ है ना
ये PDF नहीं है, मैंने उसका ऐसे लिख लगाया है.
पीडीएफ इसका नाम
So you have to take 2 packets of Oreo cake. Just take over the packet, take out all the biscuits. What you have to do is, like, you have to separate both cream and biscuit separately. This in one bowl there should be biscuit, and another bowl there should be cream. And then what you have to do is you have to take all the biscuit in the mixer grinder, grind it very well, and you have to do it very small in size. And then you have to keep it aside, and that cream you have to keep it aside. Then you have to do what? You have to take that chopped biscuit. You have to pour some water in it and mix it well along with milk. Okay, half cup of milk, and you have to pour it very well. Just pour it gradually. Don't let lumps to appear. Okay, if lumps will be there, then when you bake it, it will not bake it properly. And then pour some baking soda into it, or you can also use that what we call
Eno.
there is a flavor, I didn't remember the name. Wait, let me think.
Soda.
You can pour in it, and then you have to mix it very well, as much you can do. Then what you have to do, take a pen and just place a butter paper in it, apply some butter, or if you don't have, you can apply even oil, and then just transfer that all that base material that you have made with the mixing biscuit and milk. Just pour in it. And if you are having oven, that's very good. If you're not having, you can have even you can even take a cooker, or you can take a kadai. And what you have to do is you have to just fill that kadai with water, or you can also use sand. You can use sand or salt. You have to just place it at the base, and you have to keep a sand inside the cooker, and then pour that. Whatever you made inside the cooker, just close the cooker and wait for 10 minutes. Then cake will get ready. Take out your cake and use that cream for decoration and all. You can use that also, what we call choco syrup, or Oreo cakes for decoration, or any jellies or jams and all. And as per your convenience, that's all. बना लेना और खा लेना.
Thank you.
Amazing part.
Thank you.
And
Thank
thank
you.
you so much. Please, if you like the recipe, just click the this thumbs up and just subscribe my channel below. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye, guys.
Bye
We will
bye.
we will only see your video. We will not subscribe.
Will not subscribe the channel. Yes.
No, your subscription and your if you'll place you will click on
Yeah,
the
please
thumbs up
parcel
button,
it to me
it will
also.
I
make
was
more
going
new
to say the
videos.
same, Prashan. You have stolen my words.
But you told about the mouth-watering dish. Now I want to have one.
Yes. Okay, so Prashal, it's your turn. Hold the mic, come to the stage, and rock on.
Yeah, please press like and comment on my channel and do subscribe it. Okay, so my recipe is about chili cheese. For this we need grated cheese, जो भी होती है वो processed cheese,
Speak
नमक.
again, you were not audible.
What is the recipe?
And everyone, please mute you.
My recipe is about chili cheese toast. So for this we require grated cheese, namak, chili flakes, oregano, pepper powder और क्या चाहिए होता है पुदीना पत्ती, कोरिएंडर लीव और वो मेन चीज वो क्या बोलते हैं उन्हें chilies and garlic cloves. So for this take bread and apply some normal green chutney, dhania chutney over it. To that we apply a mixture of we have prepared a mixture of grated cheese, garlic cloves, and that green chilies, coriander, और थोड़ा सा पुदीना एंड तुलसी पत्ता एंड थोड़ा सा नमक एंड पेपर पाउडर ब्लैक सॉल्ट नहीं ब्लैक नमक जो भी होता है वो एंड सम ऑरिगेनो एंड दोस मिक्स्ड हर्ब्स वगैरह वगैरह we sprinkle some of them to pudina chutney, sorry, dhania chutney, and then we put that Amul cheese slice over it and garnish it with some what are those coriander leaves and some oregano powder, and then bake it in the oven or you can use gas stove or whatever, and you will eat it with sizzling cheese bars. That is it.
Yourself. Thank you, Prashal, for sharing this recipe. We will come to your home
Prashal, we will,
and you will make for us.
yes. We will come to your home, then you make this recipe
Yes.
for us.
You can cook and serve me as well.
Very
But there are more chances of us coming, matlab we all coming to your home than you coming to our home.
And there are more chances of us failing in this recipe because you are already
Yes.
knowing this.
But I will teach
Yes.
you properly. I will be your coach.
Okay. So I should also tell, or we should move toward the next activity.
Yeah, you should.
Madam,
also-
next activity, next group discussion.
also.
Also tell.
discussion.
No, group discussion.
You should also tell.
Okay, I should also tell.
Tell
There is
something
only
in-
one thing I know how to cook, that is dal. I will tell you how to make restaurant dhaba style arhar ki dal. You can also call it as dal fry, which will sound
Worthy of
more
what, please?
royal. So for that you need to take arhar. Was I audible? कहाँ तक audible थी?
You were audible. to
You
me.
got finished after few seconds.
Okay. So for that you need to take arhar ki dal. What we call arhar ki dal in English? Pigeon pea? I don't know what. हाँ, okay, pigeon pea in a bowl. Then wash it properly. You should wash it for 3 to 4 times because it contains carbohydrate. I don't know what it contains, starch, shayad. But you should wash it properly. Then you should then put it in the pressure cooker. Put 3 glass of water. Just place the lid of pressure cooker and put it in the induction or the gas. Okay. Till it is, Prashil has left the meeting. Wait for it to क्या कहेंगे उसे पकने को, whatever it is. Wait for it to boil. Then till then you can chop onions, you can chop tomatoes. That's it. After that you need to take a white kadai. Then you can add ghee or refined oil. But we are garib, so we will add refined oil. In refined oil, we will add hing, we will add methi, we will add zira powder for tadka. Then mix it properly. And after that, we will add the chopped onions. Then again mix it properly. Let the color be light pink. After that, you can add chopped tomatoes and let it cook for 5 minutes. If they are not cooked, you can add just few drops of water, because water can make it cook faster. I don't know. Yes. Then add masales, turmeric powder, garam masala, Patanjali masala, dhania powder, and namak also. Okay, one more thing. When you were boiling the dal, you can add there turmeric powder and क्या बोलते हैं उसे, salt, because when you will add turmeric powder, it will not boil, वो बाहर नहीं आएगा. So that's it. Just mix it well. Then you will find that your dal will be boiled properly. Just open the lid, pour the dal in the वो कढ़ाई, white color की कढ़ाई, बस. Then let it boil. Let it boil for 5 to 4 minutes. And add coriander leaves, kasturi methi for more taste, and serve it in your dhaba or restaurant. That's it. If you like my recipe, please hit the like button, subscribe, and comment. Your comments are very valuable, so please. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. We will meet in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Vartika, for sharing this amazing recipe.
Oh my God. Self-obsessed.
Why are you doing this? You need to like, not dislike.
But Vartika, you should have told some tasty recipe. This is dal. We eat it every day.
You should
Yes,
I have seen it. Matlab, thousands of time my mother is making the dal. I have seen it thousands.
If you will make dal by this method, it will turn out very tasty.
Arhar ki dal
I
is
can guarantee this.
Okay, then I will like. Look, I will like.
you should teach this to mess workers.
Yes.
Yes, please.
Yeah. Okay,
Especially
so
Saraswati Bhavan.
Hi, that dal is not dal, that is water.
it will happen in Mandakini also. It was they will give good dal for 2 to 3 months.
Also,
Then
they
they will
give
come in
good
their
fried rice also.
own path.
But for that we need to stay.
Fried rice.
But for this we need to stay at least 2 to 3 months in our hostel.
Yes.
Yes, exactly.
We are staying for 10 days like a holiday. Holiday trip. We are staying like
Yes.
that. Hostel.
When our money is finished, we came back.
Lucky.
Okay.
We have,
So
we
Neha,
have
please
been-
stop the recording.
Yes, please.